Hi, welcome to the GoHighLevel automation series. In this video, I will show you how to build an automated lead pipeline for a local service business. Let's jump in. First, under custom fields, I have already created a specific field called Where is your dryer located? This allows us to collect custom service details directly from the customer. Next, in the form builder, I designed a clean lead generation form alongside standard fields like name, phone number, email, address, and added our custom field right here. Then, under opportunities, I set up a custom sales pipeline with 4 clear stages: new lead, contact, book scheduled, job complete, to easily track leads. Here is the core automation. Inside the workflows, when a form is submitted, it automatically triggers an internal notifications and create a new lead card in our pipeline. Now, let's test it live. I am submitting from right now. Switching over to opportunities, and boom! The lead card instantly popped up under the new lead stage automatically. That's it. If you want to learn more GoHighLevel automations, subscribe to the channel now. Thanks for watching.